Professional PCB houses has fully automated machines to apply solder paste, which is one of the key steps for PCB assembly process. If you have a small PCB project, however, and outsourcing it to a PCB house is beyond a budget, you may wonder, is it still possible to assemble boards by yourself with really limited resources, or even from your home? Hi YouTuber, welcome to my video. Let me tell you, the answer is. Here are some of the boards I did completely from my garage lab. So today I'm going to focus on how to apply solder paste manually for reflow purpose. Tip 1. Use tape to align and fix the stencil on PCBs. Fold the tape on one end for easy removal. You don't want to be in a situation where you have to hassle with tape removal and accidentally jeopardize your nicely applied solder paste. Tip 2. Press the squeegee really hard to apply a thin layer of paste on the exposed pads. You can apply multiple times, even in different directions, as long as you keep pressing really hard, so that no paste will be allowed to squeeze underneath the unopening area, which is usually the cause of short circuit. Tip 3. Do the boards section by section instead of all together. Like this project, I did power ICs first and confirmed their function before moving on to the FPGA and the RAM chips with BGA package, which are usually very pricey. I don't want to waste them if any other supporting ICs fail to work. Also, dividing a big job into smaller ones will help you concentrate on limited tasks, which is very helpful, especially when your project involves hundreds of parts. Don't worry if some of the components will have to go through multiple reflow. Almost all of them could survive up to a certain number of heating cycles. Tip 4. Be super cautious in stencil removal. Lift the stencil straight up so that it will not disturb your solder paste. Tip 5. Make sure all the pads are evenly covered with paste. Partial or uneven coverage will result in unbalanced surface tension during reflow. This rotated LED is a good example of poor solder paste application. Tip 6. Carefully inspect paste application quality. Don't hesitate to wipe out the paste and start over again for the smallest defects you could discover. Any of those defects could possibly result in the total waste of your material and, more preciously, your time. Okay, we've tried all our best to have the paste properly applied on the solder pads. Next step is picking a place with your hand. There's not too much to say about it here, but your patience and elegance will pay off all the hard work. Alright, it's baking time. Let oven do all the magic for us. If you're interested in using a kitchen top oven as PCB reflow oven, check out my previous video. Okay, hope you find my video interesting and useful, not only for low budget EE hobbyists, but also for engineers like me who has to work from home during this pandemic. Alright, please let me know if you also successfully produce great boards this way. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.